Twahika Eishomero erya Sheema Premier School district ya Sheema bwanyuma yo kugira ngo narumwe ahamashomero agakozereje district ya Sheema aho twashanga abanabo akamwenyo kaciri ahamatama gabo.
Premier is a school of joy and peace. Our dear second school.
Abana bakozere S, B's na C's. Binamuna D nchemunonga. So ni nsima bazire nsima candidates bitu mu guvernment nsima bashomesa nabeegi
tukuze sobukoryo bwinji munonga kugira ngo abana bitu bahikora uzungu tukubegesa skills ezukuhikisha skill yo kubanza yo kuhandika ninga y'abazungu bakweta writing skill.
Aba bayereka amazima g'obusinguzi bwabo bari kugira ngo Sheema Premier School neza kugumizamo erikukoraje.
Katustamisa abana 25 kandi bona bachere okugezesa twine A's 8 twine B's 5 then na C's twine mbuche na D. So abana nuko bakozere
abebembezi babeegi bayereka omuhimbo no kwesima bitu banaza turubamwe omwe omuba director nawe yayereka kushemerwa aho yagira ngo Premier School neza kugumizamo no mutindo gw'okuhikisa abana.
Sima headmaster na staff nabeegi bona kujabagine discipline nicyo cyo babasize performing aje atugaruka tusima bazire yembasasuro mbwire.
We are happy we are Sheema Premier School. We passed, we excelled, and it pleases me and it gives me courage that I'm also going to excel with 20 points and above.
I'm excited because our students excelled with good results. Everything was okay, our teachers.
Omugandi Eishomero erya Masheruka School district ya Sheema nabo bakozereje ombebuze bya senior ya kana ebishohwire.
The results of Masheruka girls were equally released. Why can't we give glory to God? I've had parents lament that for them they have not received results of their children, but for us, our results were released.
I really want to thank teachers for the efforts. At least the efforts has been rewarded by the good results. All our girls have very excelled. We thank God for the good results.
Okubanza ine A's ina na B's mukaga. Abana bashatu nibo bazine kandi abakurataho bine A's ina na A's mukaga na CMwe.
Aba nabo tubashikira mu result 1 yonka konka binji bakozereza A's hamwe na za B's. Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdul Latif.
Secondary School.